Could Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, be facing an uncertain future? A question that has been swirling in the minds of many in recent times. Binance has been a dominant force in the crypto market, a hub for crypto enthusiasts, and a pivotal player in shaping the landscape of cryptocurrency today. But the tides may be shifting. Recent regulatory issues have cast a shadow over Binance's future. Authorities worldwide are tightening their grip, demanding more transparency and compliance from crypto exchanges. This turbulence is not exclusive to Binance, but its size and influence magnify the impact of these challenges. Yet this is not a tale of doom and gloom, it's a story of evolution. The cryptocurrency news is abuzz with discussions about Binance adapting, innovating, and finding ways to thrive amidst the changing regulations. As Binance navigates these challenges, the door may be opening for other exchanges to rise. We'll be here to keep you updated on these developments in the crypto world. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. As Binance faces uncertainty, who will step up to seize the opportunity? The crypto world is vast and constantly evolving. With this evolution comes a surge of new platforms, each vying for a piece of the digital pie. The opportunity to offer more crypto online is being seized by these rising exchanges. It's a race to provide the most diverse range of altcoins, the most enticing Bitcoin price predictions, and the most up-to-date BTC news. They're not just content with providing a platform for trading, they're taking it a step further. These platforms are finding innovative ways to engage users, offering perks like earning free crypto and even free cryptocurrency earning opportunities. The rise of these exchanges is not a mere trend, it's a testament to the ever-growing demand for digital currencies and the decentralization of financial systems. New exchanges are stepping up, but what does this mean for the investors? As the crypto landscape shifts, how can you navigate this change and make the most of your investments? Well, the answer lies in understanding the impact of these shifts on the crypto market. Let's dive in. Binance's challenges and the emergence of other exchanges are reshaping the crypto terrain. These changes can potentially influence Bitcoin price predictions and the value of altcoins. So, how does this affect you as an investor? The changes can create a ripple effect across the crypto market, impacting Bitcoin and altcoin prices. However, remember, volatility is not always a bad thing. It can provide a window of opportunity for those who know how to navigate the waves. For instance, as more exchanges crop up, competition intensifies. This could lead to a proliferation of altcoins, which in turn could drive down prices. And lower prices mean more opportunities to buy. So what's the best investment in this scenario? Bitcoin has always been the flagship of the crypto market, and its price predictions continue to draw attention. But don't overlook the altcoins. Some of these lesser-known digital currencies, the best altcoins, the top altcoins, could be the dark horses, offering substantial returns. Therefore, while Binance's future is in flux and other exchanges are on the rise, savvy investors can look beyond the uncertainty. They can spot opportunities amidst the chaos and potentially make the most of their investments. The future of crypto is uncertain, but savvy investors can still find opportunities. As we've seen, the crypto world is ever-changing. The future of Binance, the rise of other exchanges, and the impact on the crypto market and investments are all elements that shape the landscape. Remember, as an investor, it's crucial to stay informed and adaptable in the face of these changes. In the past few minutes, we've discussed the potential implications of these shifts on Bitcoin price predictions, the value of altcoins, and the opportunities they can present. But keeping up with this dynamic world can be challenging, which is why we're here to help. Whether it's understanding the intricacies of the crypto market, identifying the best altcoins, or making sense of the latest Bitcoin price predictions, we've got you covered. We aim to provide you with clear, concise, and comprehensive insights into the crypto market. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and seize opportunities as they emerge, consider subscribing to our channel. In our next video, we will be discussing more about the rise of altcoins, and how they are affecting the overall crypto market. So stay tuned and keep exploring the world of crypto with us. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power, and with us you're always in the know.